The question is, what if you are a licensed firearm holder, right? And a man can attack you in your yard, run up on you in your yard with a machete. Why first thing you done do?
I shot him in the leg and disarm him.
What he is doing in your yard?
Kill him.
Well, me have to bust him.
I'm try to scare him away first. You see, but the man go try to take my life and I take his life first. See, so I self-defense.
Like when that kill him and
First thing I go do a job for my weapon here. I have to defend myself and self-defense are the key, you see.
Right, I know you know.
When I go for my license gun, cause self-defense.
You understand? That means that we're cool. I'm not cutting bomb bucket to the army. You know what? I'm not cutting pussy wall man, knock him away. Put him away. You see? Put him away. Of course, after.
I have to brandish my license for to defend myself.
He attack me with the machete, so if I shoot him, I go self-defense. You know?
So I go defend myself. You understand?
You done warn him first.
Shot my foot to get him disarmed.
And he come attack me, you know, I have alright to shoot him. You know?
First thing what I do is a way where I can't get me just have to put one to him.
If it is necessary, it's a possibility, you will have to do that. Because that's the purpose of a licensed firearm. It's to defend lives and property.
Well, if he attack me, I can't escape. I have a gun for reach field.
Yeah, dog, I saw me see it, man, you see me?
I don't know at the end of the day if a man attack you and you have your weapon. You don't know why he turn up next to you. Do you see me I say? Yeah, worse if him that close to you. You know him can harm you with him machete, you understand? Yeah, so mother try if he either touch him in the man or touch him in the foot or something. You see me I say?
But if him too close.
Yeah, if him too close, him go to gone, you understand? Because I don't want to be the one who gone, you understand me? Yeah.
What he is doing in your yard?
I'm not cutting bomb bucket to the army. You know what? I'm not cutting pussy wall man, knock him away. Put him away. You see? Put him away. Of course, after.
I have to brandish my license for to defend myself.